what's up, ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, slot lizards in the house. On this, on pennies, because I hate leaving that behind, because then people aren't going to play it. You know what I mean? I try not to leave stuff like this behind. So I'm going to just do a 50-cent bet. Clear it. All right, I got my 50 cents back almost. All right. Now we're gonna go nickels and max spin. All right, guys, we gotta put the energy out there. This one really needs it. This one really needs it. Nice. What did somebody get? Somebody's happy. What'd you get? What'd you get? Major? Big. Oh, you got the big? Nice. What was it, like 600? Nice. Awesome. See, people are killing it here, man. 3. Do it. Oh, my gosh. Nice. Wow. Awesome. This is crazy. Come on, let's go. Let's do it. Come on. This is insane. Stick one. Come on now. Don't do it to me. Oh, dirty. How are you going to do that? Well, there's our double up. There's our double up. There's our double up. Unbelievable. This is nuts. All right, we're going to go down to 7. Come on. Oh, back to back. 1. Oh, I didn't sing the song. I screwed it up, guys. I screwed it. I didn't sing the song, so it didn't give me 6. Back to back, back to back. Come on. Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Come on. Oh, what is that? What? How could you do that to me? Well, when you're hot, no doubt. This is just this is sick. All right, we got a little bit there. Come on, get lucky. Bonus. Oh, we got to do 375 and a 250. All right, we're cashing out.